Are you ready to learn the coolest ukulele strum pattern in the universe? This is not the Island Strum. Check this out. All right, what did you think of that? I'm going to show that to you. I'll even show you that last chord right there. But first of all, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and this is an extremely fun, challenging rhythm that I'm going to show you. It's actually a 2-bar rhythm. It works well for rock around the clock. If you're into rock and roll or blues, this will work perfect for you. But anyway, we do give away ukulele every single month right here on my channel. Make sure to subscribe. Sign up with that link below. And if you like what I got going on right here, my Koaloha Black Label, we are the #1 Koaloha dealer in the world. Matter of fact, we're the #1 dealer for ukuleles everywhere. So that's store.ukelikethepros.com. Make sure to check that out. All right, we're going to be in the key of A for this one. Boom, A. Matter of fact, I'll just show it to you on one chord, and then at the end, if you want to do it with me with the backing track, that's just going through a 12-bar blues. No problem there. All right, so grab your A chord. I do have a low G on this. Don't need a low G. Doesn't matter what you have, high G, low G, soprano, concert, tenor. It's all good for this particular lesson. We're going to be using my index finger here, right here, and it's just going to go like this. First thing is this. Matter of fact, let me just play it for you again, the rhythm. I'll just play the 2 bars. 3, 4. Key number 1. Grab your index finger and go up, down, right here. And use your left hand just to mute those notes out. Just do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's it. There's no palm muting going on, right? Just the muting with left hand. Now, measure 1, the first measure, you're going to hit on the upstroke on the and of 1. So it's going to go mute and then up with the chord. Then you're going to mute it up again. 2 and 3. And then mute, mute, mute. All right? So it's mute, up, 3 and 4 and. That's just the first bar. Remember, this is a 2-bar rhythm. So let's do that with me. 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's it. Now, the next bar, which is really cool, it's going to start right on beat 1. 1, mute, mute, up on the and of 2, and then mute, 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 mute. All right, bar 2 again is going to go down on 1, hit the chord, and then mute, mute, up. That's the and of 2, and then 3 and 4 and. All right, just do measure 2 with me. 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now we put the 2 bars together. It can sound like this: 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, how you doing? Drop that comment below. 1 to 5. 1 meaning you got it, you understand it, you can see it, you can visualize it. Might be hard. 5 meaning you got it. No problem, Terry. Show me the rest of it because I want to get down with it. By the way, if you like this stuff, check out ukelikethepros.com. #1 site online. We got over 20 courses there. Ukulele, baritone, guitarlele. We do live Q&As. Got a fantastic Ukelike the Pros Nation. We do challenges. We do giveaways all the time over there. Make sure to go over, check out the membership. Okay, premium or the new platinum membership. That's the way to go. All right. If we speed that up, it sounds like. Yeah. All right, now we're going to take it with the backing track here. I'll show you the last chord at the end here in a second. When we do it with the backing track at the end, we're going to do it with the 12-bar blues. So we're going to do just what we just did, those 4 bars of A, and then go to a D7 chord. You're going to do that same rhythm. Remember the 2-bar rhythm. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and back to A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and E7 for 2 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and back to the A for bars 11 and 12, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and then gonna hit right here on this A6 chord, 2, 1, 2, 0. to end it off. Are you ready? Okay, this is the coolest rhythm in the entire universe. Are you ready? Let's try it with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. And all right, that's how we do it right there. Get rid of those right there. But again, how did you do 1 to 5? Leave that comment below. How you doing? This is a challenging rhythm, but once you get it down, you'll be like, he's right. This is the coolest rhythm in the universe. So anyway, I appreciate you being here. Make sure to sign up for that free ukulele giveaway. Subscribe to the channel. Click that link below. Check out our store. We carry over 25 brands, ukuleles, accessories, books, everything over there. Absolutely fantastic. Matter of fact, you can get your Koaloha over there as well. This one's mine, though. This is my black label. And also ukelikethepros.com for that. Instructional courses, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, appreciate you being here. You're awesome. Keep working. Keep learning. Keep getting better. And we'll see you next time.